Hi everyone, my name is Shruti Chidambaram and this is my term project for 15112 and it's called Airwords. It's like Hangman except instead of drawing letters on paper, players will draw letters in the air which will then be recognized by the Kinect. So the way this works is first, the player chooses which hand they want to draw with, their dominant hand. And then after this, the player will choose a difficulty level, with level 1 being the easiest and shorter words. Then they choose a mode, either to play against the computer or just by themselves. Then to actually draw letters, one will close their hand and draw the letter in the air, and then when they're done drawing, they'll open their non-dominant hand. And then as a cursor, the player can open their hand at any time. And to erase the drawing, the player can just make the lasso gesture, which is demonstrated in the corner. So as you can see, here I am drawing the letter S. And then once that's drawn, the computer will perform the algorithm to recognize the text. And as you can see, S is not in the word to be guessed, but it still shows up. And then the AI then guesses a letter, and as you can see, they guessed a letter correctly on the first try. And now for the sake of time, I've sped up the rest of the video, and you can see the different letters being guessed. And another feature of this game is the one-player mode, and in that, there's a certain number of guesses that the player has to guess the word within, and if they do, they win, otherwise they lose. And in the camera feed at the bottom, it looks as if I am drawing the letters backwards, but in actuality, I am drawing them normally. The webcam just flips the video, but the Kinect still recognizes it correctly. And as you can see, slight imperfections in the letters still does not affect the accuracy of the text recognition. At the end, when the player either loses or wins, they still have an option to play again or quit the game, as seen here.